So you can just send or receive crypto right now, no card, no ring, just the app. This is the Tangem's free mobile wallet, but is it really the full version of the wallet? Is it actually safe to keep real money in here? And who is it actually for? Before we get into all of that, let me quickly show you how to set it up. First, download the Tangem app. You can do it by scanning this QR code or use the link in the description below. And also, if you grab it to the link in the description below, I heard you might receive a little something for your newly created wallet. Not sure what exactly, but it's definitely worth checking. Okay, then open the app, agree with the terms, tap Get Started. Here we have regular setup, but we need to start with mobile wallet. So choose Start with mobile wallet and you'll see two options here: Import existing wallet or Create wallet. If you already have a wallet somewhere else, Import lets you bring it in using your seed phrase. But we're starting fresh, so hit Create wallet. That's it, your wallet is live. Crazy simple. But, and please, don't skip this part, you need to back it up right away. The app will put a big alert on the main screen to finalize your setup, so you don't miss it. Tap it and you'll get two options: back it up with a recovery phrase or upgrade to hardware right away. If you're just getting started and not ready for hardware yet, go with the recovery phrase. The app will give you a 12-word recovery phrase. Think of it as a master password to your wallet. If your phone breaks, gets lost, or you accidentally delete the app, these 12 words are how you get everything back. So write them down on paper, not your phone, not in a notes app or a screenshot, just paper, and put it somewhere safe. Then you'll need to confirm a few words from the phrase to ensure you wrote everything correctly, and set a 6-digit access code. The whole thing takes maybe 2 minutes. Okay, so the wallet is set up, but what you can actually do with it? Because honestly, I was expecting some kind of stripped down demo, like here's the taste, but now go and buy the real thing. But you can buy, send, receive, swap, even earn yield on stablecoins, no extra fees or limitations. This is the same app, the same interface that people who paid for the hardware wallet are using, not a light version. So feature-wise, it's the real deal. But here's the question everyone's going to ask: is it actually safe to keep your crypto on your phone? So here's what's happening under the hood. Your wallet keys, basically the passwords to your money, are stored in the most protected part of your phone. On iPhone, it's in the same chip that keeps your Face ID and Apple Pay safe. On Android, it's in a similar setup called Strongbox. But the main thing you need to know about this: your money is protected at the hardware level of your phone, not just by the app. Now, is it as secure as dedicated hardware wallet? And I'll be honest with you, no. Think of it this way: a hardware wallet is like a safe that's completely disconnected from everything. Your phone, on the other side, even with the best encryption, is still connected to the internet, still runs other apps, and still, in theory, can be remotely accessed by someone. It's a really good pocket, but it's not a wall. But is it secure enough to get started and use it? I'd say totally. It's as secure as any wallet app that lives on a phone, which is what most people are already using day to day. And if the alternative is keeping your crypto on an exchange where you don't actually control anything, this is a big step up from that. So who is it really for? If you're just getting started in crypto and looking for a trusted, simple and secure wallet, this is definitely for you. If you've been wanting to keep your crypto somewhere safe but didn't want to spend money on a hardware wallet before trying it, this also made for you. Just download the app, move some crypto over there and see how it feels. No commitment. And if you just want a wallet that's always with you for small amounts when you're traveling, or just as a burner wallet for day-to-day spending, this makes a lot of sense. No extra device to carry around. But let's be real, if you're holding a serious amount of crypto, and by serious I mean an amount that would genuinely hurt you to lose, I'd recommend getting the hardware wallet at some point. And here's the cool part about how they implemented the mobile wallet. When you're ready to upgrade, the upgrade is built right in. You go to Settings, tap Upgrade to Hardware Wallet, scan your Tangem cards, and the keys move from your phone to the card's secure element. They get erased from your phone completely. Same wallet, same address, same crypto, just undedicated hardware now. One thing to keep in mind though, that's a one-way move. Once you upgrade, you can't go back to mobile. But that makes sense, because you're stepping up to stronger security, not down. And when you'll get ready to get the cards, you can just use this QR code or link in the description below that gets you 10% off on any Tangem order, cards or rings. It's the best deal on the market, and honestly, using it's the best way to support the channel. So if this video helped you on your crypto journey, that's how. And if you want actually to get the most out of this wallet, there is actually a video about 7 things that most users never find on their own, so you can check it out right here. And yeah, see you in the next one.